I am here. I am here. I am not there. I am not there. Am I here or there? Am I here or there? Are you inside the room? Are you inside the room? Are you in the lobby? Are you in the lobby? He is inside the pool. He is inside the pool. Is he near the bank? Is he near the bank? She is at the beach. She's at the beach. Is she next to the lifeguard? Is she next to the lifeguard? Is she at the restaurant? Is she at the restaurant? He is not at home now. He's not at home now. He is not beside the building. He's not beside the building. It is not on the floor. It's not on the floor. We are in the bathroom. We are in the bathroom. We are at the movies now. We are at the movies now. Are you both at work now? Are you both at work now? Are you both under the bed? Are you both under the bed? They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom. Are they near or far? Are they near or far? Are they behind or in front of the store? Are they behind or in front of the store?